Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix YouTube notifications not working on iPhone. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about that they are facing an issue of YouTube notifications not working on their iPhones and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, today in this video I will tell you how to fix YouTube notifications not working on your iPhone. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to do is simply check YouTube notification settings. Ensure that notifications are enabled within the YouTube app. Open the YouTube app on your iPhone, then go to the profile, tap on settings, tap on notifications, and you have to make sure that these options are enabled. After this, then you have to do is check iPhone notification settings. Verify that notifications are enabled for the YouTube app on your iPhone settings. You have to go to the settings. Tap on the settings, tap on notifications, scroll down until you see YouTube. Scroll down until you see YouTube, tap on it. After this, simply you have to do is make sure that the allow notifications are enabled for your iPhone. After this, then you have to do is you can simply specific notification types you want are turned on. So guys, after trying these two steps and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is update your YouTube app. Ensure that you have the latest version of the YouTube app installed on your iPhone. Visit the App Store on your iPhone and search here YouTube. Tap on it. Tap on YouTube again, and if you see any available update for your YouTube like this, simply consider updating your YouTube app to its latest version. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply restart the YouTube app on your iPhone. Close the YouTube app completely and then relaunch it. Simply go to the YouTube app and open it and close it and try opening it again and see if the notifications are worked or not. If notifications are still not working for your YouTube app, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Restart your iPhone to refresh its system. Turn off your iPhone by going to the settings, tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone, then wait for a few seconds and then restart it back. If restarting your iPhone doesn't work, then you have to do is check for iOS update. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to go to the settings, go to general, tap on software update and check if there is an available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After this, then you have to do is check background app refresh. Ensure that background app refresh is enabled for the YouTube app. You have to go to the general again, tap on background app refresh, scroll down until you see YouTube, and you have to make sure that the YouTube is enabled. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reinstall the YouTube app on your iPhone. So guys, to do this you have to simply go to the app on your iPhone and tap and hold on it, tap on delete app, tap on delete again and delete it from your iPhone and then reinstall it from the App Store. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix YouTube notifications not working on iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.